Today, I'm going to show you how you can control forwarding of messages in your own Telegram channels. A super useful feature if you want your content to stay exclusive or protect sensitive information. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand exactly how to make sure that posts from your channel can't be freely forwarded, copied, or saved by others. And if you've ever wondered why your regular Telegram chats or groups don't have this option, I'll clear that up for you too. Let's jump right in. First, it's important to know that while Telegram is a powerful tool for communication and broadcasting, its controls for forwarding messages aren't universal. If you're using Telegram desktop, you might notice that there's no way to completely disable message forwarding for every chat or channel. That's because Telegram wants open sharing to be part of its platform, so default chats in most groups don't have an off switch for forwarding. But if you manage your own private channel, you're in luck. You do get some tools to restrict forwarding. These only apply to content in channels you own, so your viewers can't send your posts elsewhere, copy them, or save them. Let's walk through this process together. To start, open the Telegram desktop app and navigate to one of your private channels. If you have several channels, make sure you're in the one where you want to limit forwarding. Once you're inside, look for the three dots at the top of the screen. This menu is your entryway to the channel settings. Sometimes, if you don't see the dots right away, you can also click on the channel name itself. Both options will bring up channel info or settings. Now you'll see several options related to your channel. Keep an eye out for something labeled Manage Channel or Edit Channel. Clicking this opens a more detailed menu where you can control how your channel behaves and who gets access to what. We're looking for settings tied to permissions, and the wording can vary slightly depending on Telegram's version, but you'll typically see something called channel type or permissions. Within these settings, there's a key feature called Restrict Saving Content or a similar phrase. Sometimes it might say Prevent Forwarding. Go ahead and enable this option. And here's what this does. When Restrict Saving Content is active, anyone viewing your posts in that channel will not be able to forward them, save them to their collections, or copy the message content. It's like putting your posts behind a velvet rope, effective for keeping your exclusive updates just within your community. If you're sharing original artwork, teaching a paid course, or just want to keep sensitive info private, turning this setting on safeguards your material from being spread out across Telegram, whether by accident or on purpose. Keep in mind that this setting only affects your channel's posts. If you're chatting in a regular group or a direct message, Telegram doesn't provide a native way to block others from forwarding those messages. So this feature is designed to give creators and admins control over their broadcasted channel content, not every conversation on Telegram. That's all there is to it. It's a simple but powerful tweak that can give you peace of mind whether you're running a community, sharing premium content, or just want to keep things more private. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and drop a comment below if you have any questions about Telegram's privacy options or need help with another feature. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.